Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to design your company's logo on the Invoice Maker and Estimate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and then tap on settings down below. Tap on company in the middle of the screen and click on set logo at the top. Click on design your own logo, which is the first option. Here you can find a bunch of logos at the bottom of the screen. So tap on the relevant one, you can select a border. Here you can find the available options down below, and the color can be set as well. If you tap on the logo, you can change the color of it too, but you can also upload an image from your gallery. If you tap on this upload image button, click on pick from your gallery and then select a picture, tap on choose and then click on the button next at the top. Tap on the done button if you have placed it within the document, and then it will be set as you can see it here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.